How to create community group in WhatsApp Business on iPhone. If you want to create a community group on the WhatsApp Business app on iPhone, first of all, it is not a question of iPhone or Android. If you open up WhatsApp Business, right, then maybe you're on the Updates tab or maybe you're on the Chats tab, and maybe you tap on the settings option right there. Maybe you go to settings and then you go to the option that says communities. You can see that we have the option to join a community, but we do not have the option to create a community. Now, as I said earlier, it is not a question of Android or iPhone. It is just that WhatsApp Business currently does not allow us to create a community using the WhatsApp Business app, even if you're on iPhone or Android. Now, using the normal app, which is the WhatsApp Personal app, you can create communities and even join, but on WhatsApp Business, we can only join community. Now, if I go to the See Example Communities option right here, and then I scroll down here, you can see if I tap on Create Community, WhatsApp tells us that we cannot currently create a community on the WhatsApp Business app, as you can read here. So hopefully in the future, they might allow us such a setting where we can go ahead and then basically create community group in WhatsApp Business on iPhone and both Android as well. But until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.